guys ha. I make guys chicken soup. This is my menu guys ha. Oh, sa tatas may baksa gawin. Guys, finish ha. I put chicken soup guys. I make chicken soup. Oh, you see? Now I put the water. I put the water guys ha. Yes. Whole black pepper I put this ha. Whole black pepper. Whole black pepper guys. I make chicken soup ha. And then hada. Guys, I put 2 chicken ha. You see? I put 2 chicken for chicken soup guys. Boiling maybe 1 hour and a half like this ha. I cut in a half guys ha. Cut in a half guys. I make my menu chicken soup. Guys, I put 2 chicken ha. Guys, now I put 2 chicken and the chicken soup guys ha. Boiling water like this. Maybe 1.5 hour boiling guys ha. Yes. This is my menu guys. This is my menu. Raw butter and flour only guys ha. I make raw for the chicken soup. Melt it and then I put guys ha. Melted I put flour huh? Now I put flour. I put flour guys ha. Butter and guys ha. Huh? Habibi, put soya flour. Ayo ah. Ayo ba, kaya come on. Oh, kalas. Ay, guys ha. Yan ganyan lang guys ha. I make raw for chicken soup guys. You see how to make good taste chicken soup. Now finish now, raw finish. I waiting the chicken soup boiling 1.5 hour guys. You see? Now is good coming. You see ba din ha? Ganyan lang siya gumagawa ng ng raw for chicken soup guys. Ginagamit din ito sa balsamel. Enough now guys. I waiting the chicken soup. You see my chicken soup now boiling maybe 1 hour I waiting. You see guys ha? Chicken stock ha? I put chicken stock and then I put yan buo whole. You see guys ha? Now I put ayo. You see? Chicken stock guys ha? I put chicken stock. Yan. I put onion, garlic. 5 cream. Ano? Pepper guys ha? Yan. Black pepper guys ha? Yeah, you see? Wow. You see the color now in my chicken soup? 2 whole chicken. You see? 2 whole chicken for the chicken soup. Wow. Thank you guys. Tikman na natin siya. already done. Good taste. Yan guys, ang aking chicken soup. Yan. Preparing din tayo ng order. Ito ay lean steak guys ha. Ito yung kanyang vegetable. Yan ha. Tayo ko lang maluto itong ating chicken guys ha. You see? Ito whole chicken. Wow. Well done yan yung guys. Kaya medyo na ano natin yan. Well done na yan guys ha. You need to well done guys ha. Yan. Habang nagagawa tayo ng preparation, kasama yung order. Well done. Ready na yung ating soup. Ang ating wow. Wow, ready. Boiling more. You see? My chicken soup. Half hour. Guys ha, preparing order tayo guys ha.
Maybe UT.
Badin. Ayan guys ha. Mashed potato muna ito kayo natin guys ha. First, mashed potato. Yan. Yan. Mashed potato. Need design guys ha. So together order tayo guys ha. Preparation together order yan guys ha. Yan.
मुझे पता है फैजल भाई को गुस्सा है, इसका पैसा काटा है, ये जूस नहीं पिलाएगा मगर मैं आपको चाय पिलाएगा कसम से। वो ये किधर गया इमरान?
Tapos stick naman tayo guys. Wow. Ganyan lang just tayo ang trabaho natin dito sa Saudi. Easy lang. Kagandahan dito ay tayo yung modern. Ayan guys. Ayan. Vegetable naman tayo guys. Ayan. Carrots and then one baby corn. Ayan guys ha. Number one.
मैं बोलता हूँ 8 बजे मारो, हमें 10 बजे मारेगा तू लोग आया 8 बजे मारेगा।
Ganyan naman ang ating order.
ये करेगा काम, 1 बजेगा, मैं ऊपर गंदा डालेगा तो सोएगा। बाद में किचन आग में हवा जाएगा, सारा आग आएगा, ऐसा बनाएगा तो
Yan guys ha, so yan design. And guys, thank you for watching my live guys. Yan, nakita nyo guys. Yan yung akin lion stick guys. Tingnan nyo kung gano'ng kasarap yan. Sauce pa lang, panalo na. Thank you guys ha. Already 1 hour ha. Another half hour again. You see my chicken soup. Oh, chicken. You see my chicken soup guys. Wow. You see the water of the chicken soup. Wow. I make good taste and yummy chicken soup. You see guys ha. Yan guys, I pull out the chicken ha. Now chicken here ha. I pull out and then guys, I take the soup and then oh yes, you see guys ha, how to make good taste and chicken soup guys. You see. You see guys ha. Now it's ready. I separate chicken because I like to some chicken. Wow guys. Wow. You see the chicken soup guys huh? Oh, I take soup huh? I take water. You see? Wow. Kaya na guys ha. Gusto pala dito kukuhanin ko yung soup. Yan yung vegetable na ginamit ko guys ha. And Put it. Oh,
इमरान इधर आओ ना इमरान हेवी भी
sono simple.
कैमरा में
Yan guys ha, ay ano ko na siya. Para naputi lang natin siya guys ha. Ayun. Oh, take care of the cut. Yan guys. Yan ay
बीच में
yan guys ha, tinan mo yung aking chicken soup guys ha. Wow. Wow. Photo mail ka bebe. Yan guys. Kabebe, 2 milk. Ay, hada 2 milk. Yan guys ha, dadalagyan natin ang 2 milk. Yan. Ay po 2 milk guys ha. You see how to make food taste and yummy guys, you see. Yan. Kita mo nung ganun kasarap yan. 2 milk oh. Ipo 2 milk oh. Nati pa yan. 2 milk. Alas. And then half habibi. Hada half. Pulo hada. Cream. Half milk lang half cream lang guys. Yan. Cream. Ganun kasarap yan. Yan. Yan guys ha. Tingnan paano palaputin ko lang siya guys ha. Yan. What? Kalas. Yan ganyan siya kasarap guys ha. Yan ang akin chicken soup. Menu ko yan guys. Yan yung natutunan ko sa ibang restaurant.
هذا كله خلاص
I like hada. Badin hada boiling hada good. Uli hada. Badin kala I like hada was ha. Hada was badin I like guys no. Kita mo yan no. Boiling na lang yan guys. Pakukuloy na lang natin yung chicken soup. Ganyan lang siya guys. Hindi yan nila alam gawin yan. Mino ko yan eh. Kita mo pa. Ganyan lang kaganda ang ating chicken soup guys ha. Yan. Ibuboiling natin siya ng maayos at kantintik ha. Panoorin mo maya. Ha? Black pepper ha. Yan. Nakita nyo may black pepper ha. Yan. Yan yung aking sauce ko po. Napakasarap niyan guys. Hindi yung kagaya ng gawa nila. Hindi nila alam gawin yan. Sa kanila purong cream eh. Hindi yun ang chicken soup. Yan yung mga tutunan natin sa ibang sa ibang Italian. Sa ibang Italian na pinasukan ko. Kita nyo kung gano'n masarap yan guys ha. Yan. Yan ang ating chicken soup na original guys. Nag-melted na siya. Counting pa yan. Counting lapot pa guys ha. Kailangan natin kumulo siya para hindi agad masira. Yan. Wow. Hindi pa siya nag-boiling eh. Yan guys ha. Ganyan lang siya. Maya tiktikman ulit natin guys. Titikman ko siya guys ha. Yan mo naman ha. Titikman ko siya guys ha. Perfect guys. I like it. Oh. Finish guys ha. Only little boiling. Little boiling lang yun guys. Finish ang aking chicken soup ha guys. Yan. Ganyan lang siya kasimpleng gawin. Pero pag hindi mo siya alam, abay talaga mahihirapan ka rin. Hindi yung kayang gayahin ng ibang Mino yan. Mino natin yan guys ha. Iba na yung may alam. And guys ha, thank you for watching in my video, in my menu. Thank you for watching. And yan na yung ating chicken soup guys. Ready na siya. I-ano na lang natin siya. Kasalain na lang natin siya. Guys ha. Aywa, Sura.
वहाँ से आ जाओ
No training ha? Aywa.
10 सेकंड का
Yan,
बनाना,
streamer na natin yan guys ha. Ready na siya. Yan. Yan guys ha. Ready na yung ating chicken soup. Ganyan at saka kasarap. Oh. Ah! Badi na kilpi. Malum? Kalas, put here only.
वाह मियां मियां
You see guys, sabi niya? Wait, dada. Yan guys ha. Sal, hey. Kida. Oh. Ha? Aywa. Anakil ko ya, baby. Yan guys ha, ready na siya ha. Mamaya lalagyan ko siya ng chicken. Para chicken soup na siya guys ha. Yan lang ang ating.
मैं आपको बोला था
Ganyan lang siya guys, simpleng
आपको
gawin
बोला
pero
था।
napakasarap niyan.
फैजल भाई मैं क्या बोला था आपको
Kalas, sabi
तो खाने का इसका जरूरत नहीं है
Kalas, sabi kalas.
हाथ झुकना मालो
Hey.
बाजिद नहीं खाया
Ayan guys ha, na-streamer na natin guys ha. Okay na to guys. Oh. Yan na yung aking chicken soup guys ha. Okay na po ang ano niyan. Pati yung taste niya guys, okay na. Ayan. Nakita mo naman yung difference ng ating ano. Napakasarap guys. Kumain ako ng isang ano. Ayan guys ha. Oh. I taste again ha. Wow. Guys, thank you for watching guys ha. God bless to all guys. Thank you for watching in my menu.